Okay, hi folks, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for stopping by to check out this video today. And I want to feature one of our products from my wellness store. And my online wellness store is powered by Youngevity, which is a 20 plus year old company that's had incredible products and has incredible products. But they, I remember Youngevity back in the day, almost 15 years ago. And they've always had, amazing health and wellness, nutritional products that were really exceptional for the body. And so I was actually getting another service from Youngevity and ended up with this incredible website. And I began to really look around and see all the amazing products. And I said, man, I want to try this. I want to try that. And I want to share this and I want to share that. And so that's what I'm doing now. And so really what I'm doing is I have an online, I call it my online wellness store. Okay. And so I want to provide this store for people to come and be able to shop with all the amazing products that Youngevity has, and amazing health and wellness products. Okay. Let me see. So one of the things I want to share today, well, the product that I'm featuring today is an immune booster. Okay. It boosts the immune system. And I thought about, with all of the the stuff going on with COVID-19, this coronavirus, whatever they call it, and how important it is to build our immune systems and keep them built up. Okay. And so I want to go in right now, share that product with you, and then close the video down. But also I'm going to have some other links in the description area of this website as well, from some other things that I'm doing. And be sure to check, just check everything out and see what we have to offer. Okay. But I do have a quote before we go there that I want to share with you. It's from Dale Carnegie. Dale says, "We all have possibilities we don't even know that we have, but we can do things that we don't even dream that we can do." Okay. We all have possibilities that we don't know about. Isn't that something? And we can do things that we don't even dream that we can do. And that's a wonderful quote by Dale Carnegie. Okay, so what I want to do now is go to health and nutrition, and you'll see all the amazing, I'm telling you, amazing products. Okay, and I want to go to immune. Okay, because we're talking about immune health, building our immune systems up so that we'll be able to fight, to better fight the viruses, and hopefully we're going to get, well, I know we're going to get through this COVID virus thing. And my hope is that we'll be the better for it as a nation. Okay. And even as individuals, people losing their lives, many families are suffering, and thoughts and prayers again go to those people. And I thought about my wife going out this morning, and I'm just going to share this real quick. And she goes out, and she certain things you have to go out for. You got to buy stuff, particularly like paper towels and toilet paper, and they have people in the aisles now. And you can buy one pack of toilet paper, and you can buy one pack of paper towels. I mean, it's not funny, but it is funny in a way, when you think about it. Man, you're being policed. Okay. But I get it, because it's people hoard, I don't get it. I don't get that part, but that's neither here nor there. Okay. Let's go to, so here we are on this page. Went to health and nutrition, and went to the immune. Okay. And that's where we are. These immune products, and we have several of them. Okay. As you can see, I'll just scroll down real quick, and you can see the different immune booster products that we have, products to support the immune system. Okay, and you can buy them in packs. You can buy single bottles or whatever they are. And okay, really great stuff. Okay, but I want to focus on one product today, and that is the Be the Change Citra D Vitamin D3 Spray. Okay, the Citra D Vitamin D3 Spray. Okay, we've got the 4-pack here, and then we've got the single here. Okay, so let's just take a look at this. We'll go to the quick view, and again, I like the way Youngevity has this website set up. It's really nice. You can easily find things, easily see things. Okay. All right. And as you can see, the retail price is $33.99 and the wholesale price is $26.95. Okay. Let's look at this together. It says Citra D gives your body instant exposure to the sunshine vitamin. Of course, the sunshine vitamin we know is vitamin D. Okay. With just a few easy sprays, you will be getting a tasty dose of vitamin D3 to benefit your body. Okay, so now let's go to the full product details here, and we'll move this down, and just come take a look at things. Okay, check things out. Okay, there we go, and you can hit this. It's going to bring up that, okay, the ingredients, what's in there, good stuff, okay. And then we go down here and we see some more details. Getting your sunshine vitamin without the use of direct sunlight has never been easier. Citra D is a new, tasty, and convenient way of getting your daily dose of vitamin D3, providing your body with many benefits, from encouraging calcium uptake for healthy bones to helping your immune system. Okay, and then it has a warning here. You want to make sure you go, you consult a professional, healthcare professional, and to keep out of reach of children. Okay, then you have vitamin D, purified water. The ingredients are right here. Natural vegetable glycerin, natural flavor, blend, sea minerals, citric acid, etc. Okay, but there you have it. An incredible product that you can take on the go with you, and spray some in your mouth and get that vitamin D, and keep that immune system built up. We need it in these days, and we need to, I think that's something that we should be doing, over time. Keep that immune system strong and strengthened, so that we can ward off and fight better these viruses and bacteria that try to attack us in our bodies. So there you have it. Okay, check out the link to my online store, powered by Youngevity, and also there'll be some other links there in the description area of this video, so that you will be able to check out some of the other things that we're doing. If you're looking for business opportunities and other products and services, man, we've got candles. It's all kinds of wonderful stuff. I'm Terry Brown. I'm signing off. You be blessed. Be safe today. Bye-bye now.